Hi, my name is Sean Begg from Chemistry 117, Section 421, and I'm going to be presenting today a litter survey. So today we have two locations. One we can see is Redway Inn, and one we can see is Harborside Gas Station right here. And we can see that Highway I-45 is right next to these two locations. Two locations also have big bodies of water located next to them, which is an important thing to consider in the next following slides. So first location is going to be Harborside gas station. This obviously is a gas station area which has a ton of litter, and the circled area on the left side is where the truckers are parked whenever they want a quick stop and stuff like that. This area has an area of 2,879.99 meters squared, and as I said, it's located next to the I-45 highway. And from day one to day two had a lot more plastics. This is probably due to the wind not being able to pick up the litter. As we can observe, it had 4 to 5 mile per hour winds over there. This location was surveyed from October 4th to October 5th, and most of the litter that we observed over there was plastic uh, on the perimeter of the area. We probably didn't see that much metal in comparison to plastic because of how overwhelming the plastic litter was over there, as you can see in the footage below. And our second location is Railway Inn, survey from October 4th to October 5th. It has an area of 2,508.38 meters squared and is located as well the I-45 highway. We could also see that most of the area that we observed was the parking lot for the motel and the plaza below. Here we can observe two pie charts, one for Harborside and one for Roadway Inn. Harborside, we can see that it has more plastics. This is because the gas station serves more plastic products in the form of like chip bags, plastic bottles, stuff like that. And Roadway Inn, we see more metals. This might be due to the people that live there enjoying the night, just having beer bottles and metal stuff like that, and probably disposing them correctly. And for the graphs, we can observe that so we have litter count on the left side and litter density on the right side. Litter density is just the litter over the area. And we observe that Roadway Inn has a lot more smoking products than Harborside. And Harborside has a lot more beverage products than Roadway Inn. This is probably because the gas station there serves a lot of products in the beverage area and it's a quick consumption of calories. We have some layer in the composition. First, we had carbon. It was in the form of a plastic bag and a blue pen. The first plastic bag had polyurethane. The ink was in the cartridge of the blue pen. Metal we observed was iron and aluminum and silver for the paint roller. And silicone we saw was in the form of a beer bottle, and the sunglasses is a UV protection layer for sunglasses. The decomposition rate of plastic was from 20 to 50 years, with metals from 50 to 500 years, and glass being in millions of years to decompose. And the detrimental impact for consuming any of these would be insertion to the intestines or in the plastics. It would disrupt their digestion tract and cause them to pass away. So our first slide, we could see that these microplastics from the plastic bags can be confused as plankton, and these small organisms can consume them and cause them to uh, cause them to die, which or bigger organisms see this and could eat them potentially, causing plastics to get in them as well, messing up with their digestion and causing them to have a fatal death. And the concern for this is that this would soon lead to us finding microplastics in our foods in our markets. And my scholarly source is cited below. The next environmental impact is improper disposal of cigarette butts, causing the nicotine to dissolve in the water and causing this fermented liquid that is an accumulation of chromium, nickel, lead, zinc, and manganese, which is detrimental to marine life and is in fact toxic to them. Thank you for listening and have a good day.